Welcome to BoyueTech. Today, I'll take you to visit our factory. This is our #1 workshop, mainly producing high-performance carbon fiber for aerospace. And you can see, these are all our joinery equipment, all imported from Germany. It is currently the best use of carbon fiber textile equipment now. This is our production line, and each production line will have 2 highly trained personnel for quality control. This is our #2 workshop, usually used to produce some civilian carbon fiber fabrics. And the colored carbon fiber fabrics are also from here. You can find them on our website. They are very beautiful. Oh, by the way, the equipment here is also from Donio. This is our #3 workshop, which usually produce unidirectional fabrics. They are usually used for building reinforcement. This is our extrusion workshop, and you can see that it is very large. In here, we can make blades for wind turbines. Here is the most important part of our factory, the lab. We are here to test all the products we produce to ensure they reach the requirements, and also many new products born here. This is our office area, where different departments cooperate to provide better service to our customers. Here is our conference room, a place where workers can talk free about the factory and help them to make good decisions. Here is our dining room, and you can see that it is large enough to accommodate more people dining at the same time. We believe that good environment brings us good work. After all this all, if you are interested in our factory, welcome to visit us.